Hello everybody, this is Mist, and welcome back. A lot has been happening in my life. I find myself trapped. This is probably due to not enjoying the degree I am pursuing now. But I must persevere and see this journey through. When I look back, I don't regret the choices that led me here, because I tried my best with the information I had at each step. Sometimes I question myself, which step went wrong that led me to this situation? In my teenage years, I've been gaining the achievements that everybody hopes for. I molded myself into the person everyone wants to be. I thought I was a positive and optimistic person until now. I always believed I'm special. I'm capable of everything if I work hard enough. I'm the chosen one, like Neo in the Matrix. But I turned out to be David in Cyberpunk Edge Runners. Aim for the sky, desire to fly, destined to fall. I feel like I'm going to fail the expectations of others this time. I've been thinking about that a lot. And I think this is the reason why I feel depressed. Another thing that is on my mind is what I'm going to do after graduation. That is my career. I actually know what I want to do the most. That is to build and paint as many figures as possible in the limited years of my life. I will keep doing so until the day I cannot hold a brush. But the reality is, I cannot earn a living with this. At least not now. That's why I've been feeling anxious about the future lately. At the same time, I'm burdened by my assignments, afraid that I will fail the exams, not be able to graduate, not be capable enough, no one wants to hire me. My mind starts looping within these negative thoughts. I still pretend I'm fine and work as usual. But deep down, my mind is breaking down. I try to ignore these signals and find comfort in painting. I kept thinking and thinking hard, rendering the image of the completed work in my head, but still didn't know how I'm going to paint this. I just couldn't come up with a color scheme I'm satisfied with. However, I still decided to go on with this and believe something would happen in time. The worst eventually happened. There was a lot of dust sticking to the model after painting the flesh. There is no way I could cover that up, and I had to remove all the paint and redo the paint job. It was this moment that I realized, perhaps this is the time to start fresh again.
Everyone is dressed up here, but
Museum has the biggest collection of Chinese antiquities in the West. So here I am at the British Museum to look for inspiration for painting a Chinese dragon girl. I also visited other places in this trip, but those will be the topic of another video. We are so used to searching for information and inspiration from the internet that we forgot the best inspiration comes from the world itself. The moment I'm gazing into the meticulously crafted artifacts, I can feel the power and emotion emanating from them. A greatness that cannot be conveyed through pixelated reproductions. That's my answer when feeling stuck in life and no inspiration. Place yourself in a new environment and explore the world. Meet and talk to other travelers like you on the way. Somehow, that escape from the routine life into a journey full of uncertainties give me inspiration in creating art as well as life. I worry about the future because of the uncertainties, but uncertainty also allows for possibilities. It is this uncertainty that makes our life wonderful and special. Without darkness, there can be no stars. I was truly amazed at the ability of a little trip in changing my mindset. On the path to be a craftsman, stagnation in skills development is undesirable, but stagnation in life experience is disastrous. A craftsman without creativity and innovation is nothing but a machine. I am so glad I find my old self back. There have been some struggles and there are still a lot. I feel weak, I lost my strength, I lost faith in myself, but someone close to me reminded me, nothing in life is easy. What you achieved before, none of them is easy, but you made it every time. Yeah, she's right. Great things don't come easily. Great things come from hard work and perseverance. And look at the path before us. What a wonderful world it is. We always fascinate the beauty of paths that we did not take, but forget to explore the pleasure hidden in the paths we choose. Stop contemplating the decisions made in the past. Admire the beauty in front of us. Be brave. Say yes while you still can. You only got one life to live. Be your own role model. You only need 10,000 hours to master a skill. It's never too late to start. You will suffer along the way. You will hear harsh words, but don't let them sway your heart. We are all destined to fall, our names to disappear in the river of time. But the legacy you leave behind will shed light on those who come after. You don't understand why you're doing this. The ultimate purpose of your work is hidden, just like space exploration. It seems like a waste of resources with no promised land waiting on the other end. And maybe that's what life is about. It's not about the final goal, but the love and wisdom gained along the way. I'm lucky to have someone to give me a hand when I fall, but not everyone does. If you're at a low place, though clumsy, I wish this video can offer you some sort of comfort and encouragement. This video looks a bit unorganized, has a bit of everything. That probably reflects the status of my life, learning and absorbing from all sources. Chaotic yet richly deep. Brighter days lie ahead. And remember, you're not alone.
As long as you and me, baby, we can open every door. From the day you stole my heart, I never ever want to be apart from all the things that are you. I know
Why stay and just repeat it now? Yeah, oh, we dream about all things being alright, but we freeze when it's all up to us. So let's fight it, make a stand and try it. Everything will matter from now on. From now on. Let's fight it, there's no way to hide it, 'cause everything will matter from now on, 'cause it's high tide. I can hear the sound, and I know that it's alarming. Yeah. 'Cause time is running out, and we can't just stay and watch it. No. Oh, we dream about all things being alright, but we freeze when it's all up to us. So let's fight it, make a stand and try it. Everything will matter from now on. From now on. Let's fight it, there's no way to hide it, 'cause everything will matter from now on, 'cause it's high tide. Yeah, we must fight it now, 'cause nothing else matters from now on. It's high tide. No matter from now, yeah, it's high tide.
The work is almost completed. Please enjoy.
And everybody's got to run, and ain't nobody gonna hold you. And everybody needs someone. Don't try to go alone. Don't say I never told you. When you wake up tomorrow and your heart ain't feeling right, I'd love to steal up all the say goodbye to pain and sorrow every day and every night. I once heard somebody say, this is living don't come easy, and you never find your way. And if you try and walk alone, you already lost believing. And if the word rings true, and there's darkness before light, find somebody and get together, make love that lasts forever, every day and every night. when the whole damn world is beating you down? What about when you get burned from a tree?